Welcome back to the live sky show. Very soon we are going to shift focus from Jupiter to Saturn. I'll ask my colleague Saket to shift to the Saturn now. You'll be able to see the Saturn rings.
Yes, you can call. Yes, sir, ठीक ठीक. लाइट ये लाइट ऑन कर दो. हाँ, ये लाइट.
इसमें क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो? You can see this information.
अब तो गुड मॉर्निंग बोल. Good morning, everyone. And this is our second session exclusively for Saturn with its beautiful rings. पढ़ पाता हूँ. प्रमोद वैद्य जी, गुड मॉर्निंग वैद्य जी. हीना शर्मा, जगदीश पटेल, गुड मॉर्निंग. And you are live with us right now. And please mention your place from where you are live right now, and whether in India or other parts of the world. Waiting with my child. Oh, thank you, Ruchira ji. Good morning, sir. Yeah, this much maximum resolution we can achieve using our 5 megapixel next image camera, which is attached to 8-inch telescope. Vivek ji, good morning. Yeah, this is a direct live feed, and right now you are seeing Saturn. It's one of the brightest objects in terms of magnitude, so you can see using naked eye. The only difference, without telescope we can't distinguish exactly rings. From where you are live right now. Yeah. And oh, thank you. Once again, you are live from joining from London. Thank you so much. And this is our humble request to you all. Please do subscribe, like, and follow our Facebook page, so that whenever we are announcing such activities, we are doing many things, so you can enjoy those programs. Good morning, Dr. Jyoti. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Swapnil. Watching, yeah. Arvind Achrikar ji, good morning. So we are live with the second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn. And the very interesting part of this planet, we also call jewel of the solar system, and this special recognition goes to this planet because of its beauty, of its beautiful rings. There are many rings. There are broadly divided in two parts, inner rings and outer rings, but they are also classified. But that's okay. We will be more general today so that everyone can enjoy, और सब लोग इसका आनंद ले सकते हैं. Yeah, you can see in southeast. Right now it is around 35 degree. आप ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे, और अगर अमूमन हम आमतौर पे बात करते हैं तो बस आप जाइए ईस्ट और साउथ के ऊपर जाके देखिए कि सबसे ब्राइट और उसके बाजू में एक कम ब्राइट का ऑब्जेक्ट थोड़ा सा आपको दिखेगा एंगुलर डिस्टेंस पे, वो है सैटर्न, और सबसे ब्राइट जो दिख रहा है वो है जुपिटर, जिसके बारे में अभी हम लाइव थे. इट्स आवर प्लेजर टू हैव यू सर. गुड मॉर्निंग जी. निखिल, गुड मॉर्निंग निखिल. प्राची, oh, thank you for joining such a young ones. Watching. Thank you, Mansi ji. Good morning, Supa ji. Good morning, Rohin. Good morning, Arthava. Yeah, Saturn is also gaseous planet. So the important part of Saturn is it has core, not rocky, but it has core which is solid in comparison to its outer surface and outer layer of the Saturn, the gaseous, which is made of hydrogen and oxygen. Manas ji, thank you. Hi, you are live from Calicut. Kavita ji, wow, looking beautiful. Yeah, that's why we also call the jewel of the solar system, because of its beautiful rings. And the very interesting part, in 1610, Galileo Galilei find out this particular planet also, but he was not sure about whether it has rings or not. So he thought it must be triplet system. But later on, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens came with this idea with his telescopic observation that it is actually rings. Yeah. Hello, Mike. Okay, thank you for your joining us. Nehru Science Center 3 times. Oh, thank you, thank you. Please like and follow our page. In southeast direction, Jupiter, Saturn. Yeah. All 3 planets are visible right now in the same, almost in the same line. The Jupiter, Saturn, then on low altitude, low elongation angle, you can see the Mars, which is reddish color. What a wonderful experience. That's the beauty of a telescope. And we are very thankful to all of you for joining us live in this morning in COVID-19 situation when we are following lockdown period. Good morning, Sasi ji. Good morning, Kalyani ji. I'm watching. Thank you. Yeah, we are focusing on ring. If you have a specific question, please ask. We will try. Otherwise, we can discuss something also, because you can enjoy the beauty of Saturn rings as well. That's very important part. Yeah, thank you for your young ones of 9-year-old who is also with you. Oh yeah, and we are very happy. Most of the parents are waking up with their children and they are watching this program. Namaskar ji, namaskar. Yeah, we have already done for earlier session from 3 to 3:45 a.m. exclusively for Jupiter, and this one is exclusively for Saturn. And as you are asking about Mars, but we are focusing on Saturn because most of us is really interested to see the rings of Saturn, which cannot be seen without telescope. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, you can't control the background sound. We are on the rooftop of our Nehru Science Center, and you can see the announcement from very far distance. So that is the humming. Thank you for bringing your daughter. Yes, especially you can have 4-inch and higher telescope and diameter of this objective. You can enjoy the Saturn's rings from using direct view in place of camera. Yeah, it's in live right now. It's a live, and it's a morning. So good morning once again from Nehru Science Center.
Can't see.
अच्छा उसमें नहीं.
It's impossible. I cannot see this question.
Yes, ma'am. It's a really super view. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for making this coincidence. That's Saturn on Saturday. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. According to our calendar, this day is also dedicated to Saturn. Saturday. Shanivar for Shani. And we are शनिवार की अर्ली मॉर्निंग वेरी मॉर्निंग में हम मानजी या दीपक डॉटर ब्रदर आपकी पूरी फैमिली में सब लोग देख रहे हैं. बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई हमें आपसे ये जानकर. इज इट जी क्वेश्चन पूछे इज इट पॉसिबल. उनका क्वेश्चन जरूर लीजिए. बड़ा डिफिकल्ट चीज़ है सर. मानस बाकी अपने मानस जी का क्वेश्चन लीजिए सर. बताइए क्या वो मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया क्या है. कैन वी से द जुपिटर एंड सैटर्न टुगेदर नाउ. नो, it is very hard because the field of view of our telescope and the camera. So Jupiter is very, you know, it is very far from the Saturn right now, or it cannot be bring altogether.
Is also dedicated to. Difficult to see questions.
On this screen, you are seeing directly Saturn right now, but if you can go outside in your balcony or on your rooftop, and then you can enjoy using naked eye all three planets. They are lined up, almost lined up. Jupiter on higher altitude, then it goes to Saturn, then next one is Mars.
ये दोनों एक
Southeast, yeah.
दोनों एक है नहीं डिलेड है
थोड़ा delay है. Red star is not the Saturn, it's actually Mars. Bharvi ji, this particular session is dedicated to Saturn.
मुझे कौन टैग किया ओ सॉरी मैं खुद
Green color is added not because of green color of Saturn, because of our optics and processing of this software which we are using for live streaming. So it has some processing requirements, so which can't be handled right now in the live process. So that's why you can see little green color that can be removed after using some binning process. So bear with us. Thank you for your concern. Yeah, using naked eye you can see all three planets right now. On fourth, already you are living on fourth planet, so right now you can see other three planets. Auckland, yeah, New Zealand. Thank you, Yasasri Redkarji, for joining us. Thank you for bringing your whole family live right now with us. Nikhilji, just as you said, the red color is watching. Wonderful view. Thank you. Enjoy this show. Yeah, we will try it. If it succeeds, then we will also bring Titan in the field of view of this camera using our telescope. But at present, it seems a bit difficult because of this camera resolution and brightness due to some technical reasons. Yeah, we will try, but thank you. We can't show all three planets right now all together in a single frame. Earlier session was on especially for Jupiter. Right now it's for Saturn. Yeah, thank you for sharing your daughter's experience.
Puneet Jain is asking, can we have the recordings of the this live session too? Yes, of course, it will be there and it will be available on our Facebook. But most of the questions which we have not answered will be answered subsequently, and you will be able to see those answers as well.
Thank you, Dushti, for bringing your son with you.
Chirag Garg is asking, what are you sharing with us? Well, what we are sharing with you is basically the Saturn rings. You are able to see the Saturn planet and its rings. But actually, if you go out and see right now live, you can see all the three planets. You can see the Jupiter, the largest one in terms of magnitude. Then just below that will be the Saturn. Just much below, slightly below that, the reddish in color will be the Mars. You can see all of them live outside with naked eye, but you can't see the Saturn rings, which we are showing you right now.
Yes, Deepak ji, all three are the planets: Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter.
Gaurav Panchal, you can't see Pluto. You have written, I can see Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, definitely, but not Pluto. Somebody is asking the names. I already told you that, several of us are here on the terrace. I'm Shiv Prasad Khine, I'm the director. Then I have with me Mr. Umesh Kumar, who is the head of the education department. And we have Saket, who is again a curator. We have Puliwar, who is an education officer. We have Rangdale, who is again an education assistant here from the Nehru Science Center. And then we also have two more of our colleagues who are all on the terrace maintaining the social distance. Again, we also request you to stay home, stay safe. See, we have 8-inch telescope. How much closer we can go? I mean, this is what you can see. Not more than this. I mean, you can clearly see the Saturn rings. If you go outside and look at the all the 3 planets with your naked eye, and then what you see here, and this is something stunning. We only see the pictures in the atlas, the Saturn's having the ring, but you can see it live here.
Is Saturn light than water?
Yeah.
Yes, the rings of the Saturns are mostly made of gaseous matter, and then you have some. I mean, it's a huge belt of ring. I mean, trace elements like sulfur, ammonia, and these are the most of which are traces.
Yeah, someone has asked about the density of Saturn. Definitely, it is a lighter. It's around 0.6 in comparison to water. Water has a 1. So people may question or maybe doubtful about whether Saturn will float on the surface of the water. But that's a very tricky thing. If you will Google, you will find yes, but the actual reason and logic behind physics, it will not float. For that, we need to really do some mathematical calculations why this so big, second largest planet cannot float because of its composition of gases. It is made of gases, but core is very solid in nature, and then you have to calculate other forces as well when you are putting such bigger body and on imaginary planet which has huge big ocean. So but most of the time on internet we will find the answer, it will float, but actually it is not going to float.
Are you using a go-to or manually tracking? No, we are using a go-to. Manually tracking will be difficult because you're live.
Sanjay ji, you are asking about the directions. It's the east, southeast actually, around 40 degrees from horizon.
Well, I mean, the brightest dot what you see in the sky is the Jupiter. The next one is, of course, the Saturn, what we are showing now. And just below that is our Mars. If you're seeing it live from outside with your naked eye. Vikas Sakpal, what is the distance between Saturn and distance?
Yes, Manoj ji, we have answered. If you want to see the Saturn, you see the south, east, and around 38 or 40 degrees from the horizon. On upper side, you will find one more bright object, that is actually Jupiter, and below that you will find from Jupiter, that is Saturn, the next one, and much below you will find Mars also.
Is Saturn only planet with ring?
4 planets has rings. Somebody is asking about the rings of Saturn is the only planet, but there are 3 more
Jupiter,
planets,
Uranus,
and Neptune. But Saturn's rings are very, in thickness, they are very bright, and density is much higher in comparison to other planets, and they are classified into 2 broader categories, inner and outer.
Mamta Mehta ji, you're right. The brightest spot is definitely Venus. But what Saket told you is that right now you have three of them which are visible. Out of these three, the brightest one is Jupiter. Now you can't see Venus now.
Using naked eye, they can. In the evening, after sunset. And there is no alien on Saturn.
Yes, Puri Poonam, yes, you're right. Mars is lovely looking red dot. Yes, it is red dot.
Yes, answer किया मैंने. Aftab Singh, sky is cloudy in Gurgaon. Here is sky in Mumbai also. Sky is not clear exactly, but luckily, as of now, we don't have any clouds in front of Saturn.
Somebody is seeing from live from US. You will have to see. I mean, there again, southeast only. Yes, Deepa Bisht, you can see from Chennai, it's exactly the same southeast direction. Look at your sky outside from your window. You can see all these three planets. The brightest one, of course, is the Jupiter, which we showed earlier. The next one, just below that, is Saturn, and slightly down below is Mars. You can see that reddish tinge in when you look at the Mars.
Somebody is saying we are not answering every questions. Very important, because questions are going very fast. So whatever question we are picking, we are trying to answer. But after the event, we will try to answer post live session. So don't worry about your questions, ma'am.
What is the specific reason for choosing time now? No specific reason. It's just that you can see all the three planets, and both Jupiter and Saturn is what you can see. This is what, and plus since all of us are inside our home due to this COVID situation, we thought, and plus our science center is closed. We thought let's make use of this opportunity to be connected with all of you, our esteemed visitors.
Yes, they are aligned, all three planets.
Well, the revolution, it takes about 29.5 to about 30 years. I mean, the way, if you look at, compare it with Earth's it rotates to about, takes about 30 years. Yes, 4-inch telescope. I think with 4-inch also you should be able to see all the four. Right now you don't have the IO, so maybe you should be able to see all the four.
Yasita Parekh ji, we can't show you all three planets in a single frame.
You can see it only with naked eye.
Yeah, the problem is not, we don't want to lose your enthusiasm. The problem is at a single time we can focus on particular planets, and we have cameras, so its field of view is also very less, so we can't bring all three planets or two planets all together because they are very far.
Is Titan suitable for life? Well, it again has icy surface, but as of now, again we are the only planet, the blue planet. Which telescope?
This is
Celestron we are using.
CPC 800 class. It is GPS enabled device. That means 8-inch diameter of primary mirror. Actually, that's it's a reflector class telescope.
Paminderji, Sauniji, unfortunately we don't have a cup of tea here because we are far from our the place where we have tea.
And most of you are asking about why we are not bringing all three planets, and every time people are asking. So the problem is this session is dedicated to Saturn, and if we will change position of our telescope, then it would be difficult to bring quickly for Saturn, then quickly for Mars. So we are concentrating.
Ujjwala Wadia is asking, can you show us Mars? But ma'am, I mean, we had very categorically told that today's session is for looking at the Jupiter and its 4 moons and Saturn and its rings. That's why we're showing you this.
Great, Harsada ji, you are watching Mars from your balcony, and that is our intention also. You can enjoy your balcony or your home's rooftop and enjoy all three planets all together right now.
Well, Saturn is not light years, you can say astronomical units. It's about what? About roughly around 29 astronomical units. क्या the Venus कितना first है?
Late है यार इसमें question बहुत.
5 dots कहाँ दिखता है इसमें?
1.6 live. So watching live, yes, thank you. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा और लेके ले ले.
हाँ
नीचे ले ले.
राजेश इसको नीचे कर दो, थोड़ा सेंटर में लेके आओ. Yeah, this is a very important thing because it is believed that when this whole planetary system, exclusively Saturn, was getting formed, that time remnants, they are orbiting the Saturn, and that's why the rings came up. But it is still a question of fundamental research people are exploring, and the latest mission which ended in 2017, Cassini-Huygens, it contributed a lot. NASA's Cassini and European Space Agency's Huygens, collaboratively we call Cassini-Huygens, especially that mission has contributed a lot about rings. And definitely, Manaji, for thanks for correction, it's a 7 astronomical unit.
7, okay.
It varies. It's not fixed because we are rotating. Right now it is 7. Yes, they are in line. You can go and enjoy from your balcony. And this video will be available after this live session on our Facebook page. You can enjoy. No, there are no aliens. Somebody is asking about aliens. Thank you, Archit ji, you are live from Nagpur. Not only Saturn, all planets, when Sun was getting formed, these are the remnants which were not used in formation of Sun. So solid material became more closer. We call inner planets. These are outer planets, gas giants or Jovian. Because of their nature, they are lighter material than the rocky material. So that's why they are after the asteroid belts. Thank you, Deepali ji, for your support. Thank you, Gaurav ji, for your support. Please like and follow our Facebook page so that we can update you whenever we are bringing more activities, programs. Yeah, birds are chirping right now, so you can also hear the bird sound. Yeah, Uranus is also having a ring, but not prominent and beautiful like Saturn. Saturn is having huge, bigger, two classified rings, inner and outer, and they are made of dust, ice, Yeah, no surface. Yeah, definitely. It's a gaseous planet, so it has no solid rocky surface like celestial planets of like Earth, Mars, Venus, and Mercury. Somebody is asking for life or living being. We can't confirm as of now, because as far as astronomical observations are concerned, there is no proof of life, but nobody can deny in which form life may be. So the beautiful part of Saturn is Titan is one of the moons. That is actually second largest moon in our solar system, and there are promising expectations because of Cassini-Huygens mission. I think other than Europa, Titan may also support life. So in future we may explore more about its moon. Yeah, it's varying. Saturn's temperature from -80 to around -82 plus around 100 degrees Celsius. So Neptune would be something. We can see only 6 objects using our naked eye, not Uranus and Neptune. You can see Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
My Sainik school classmate Shivam Agastya is also there. Not my classmate. He's from my school type from US. He has joined. Thank you, Shivam.
Before sunrise, you can enjoy as soon as there is a darkness. When this down light will start, we will lose, but after sunrise, we will completely lose all 3 planets here. Good morning, Munmunji from USA. Thank you, Vinodji. Thank you, sir.
The telescope details.
Yeah, somebody is asking telescope, and somebody is asking many times, can we show the telescope? There is a special arrangement of camera and this live streaming device which is a mobile. So we cannot change the position to see the telescope, but we can switch on. Can you switch on the light? थोड़ा सा लाइट चला दें, दिख जाएगा कि रियल में टेलीस्कोप है पीछे. उनको लग रहा है लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग को. This is Celestron 8-inch telescope. You can see the tripod. This is actually computer screen here, and I'll take a risk. This is tripod, and telescope is just sitting on this tripod. Many times उनको लग रहा है ठीक है इसको ऐसा करें नहीं वो ऊपर दिखाना पड़ेगा. वो दिखा सकते हैं वो सबसे
लास्ट में दिखाएंगे. छोड़ो
नहीं, इसको खाली थोड़ा टिल्ट करो, इसको डाउन करो.
लाइट ऑन करना पड़ेगा सर.
लाइट ऑन.
छोड़ो.
Yeah, tomorrow also they will be visible, but before monsoon you can enjoy without any clouds and rainy season. Good morning Nikhil ji, good morning Lakshya ji. Good morning, watching Domevali, 10-year-old. That you are right now seeing on our screen, that is actually because of this our camera and the processing software we are using. It's not real color. It is not a green. It is a mix of all colors.
Just make an announcement. We'll answer later. Well, you know what, we as far as possible, your questions will be answered later. My request is that you just keep enjoying the live session. We will talk less. Whatever questions are there, we will try and see how many. Most of the questions you yourself can find out from the net, but we will try and answer offline once the session is over.
टेलीस्कोप को शिफ्ट करो.
अच्छा
बोल के
हो गया और टाइम.
हाँ सर 10 मिनट बचा है. 10 मिनट नहीं 7-8 मिनट बचा है. 45 मिनट. Yes, someone is asking about the Titan, why we are not able to see that. With this camera setup, it is a bit difficult for us to bring that object in the same field of view, and with the light intensity, we will lose otherwise this resolving power of our camera, and we will not feel this exact ring of Saturn if we will try to bring Titan. Thank you, Vilas ji. Good morning.
ये इससे इससे देखो
नहीं इसमें डायरेक्ट स्क्रीन से अच्छा कैप्चर कर
नहीं
नहीं इसमें क्योंकि नॉइज रिड्यूस करता ही है
डाउट देखो डाउट देखो
हाँ सर. We are happy to know that all of your kids are enjoying this program with you all. Thank you so much for bringing them as well. Why? Yeah, because of atmosphere also, you can see reflection of light is taking place, which is coming from Saturn. That's why we are seeing this.
oh sorry
Good morning, Saraswati ji. Good morning. It is very difficult because of sunlight. You can't see planets in the daytime around noon time because of sunlight. Our atmosphere will become more bright and blue. So you can see we lose generally. Only Venus is possible in the late evening, just after sunset. You can enjoy. Other than moon, it is difficult to see anything else in the daytime.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we are using Celestron. You can also use Celestron make, which you are now mentioning here. Thank you, Vishal ji, for your support. Please like and follow our page.
45 बंद करो हाँ
तो एक बार उसमें
5 मिनट है.
जुपिटर एक बार लगा के देख लेते हैं
सर उसका मूल लेके आ सकते हैं क्या?
जस्ट ऐसे ही लगा के हम देख लेते
देखो सिर्फ बोलो टाइटन दिखा सकते हैं वो लॉग ऑफ
हैं
फोर्थ मून.
इसको घुमा के बिना डिस्टर्ब किए हुए जस्ट जुपिटर पे लेके चलो
सर हम इसको फिर
बंद करो पहले बोलो लाइव बंद कर रहे हो गोइंग ऑफलाइन
नहीं उनको ही दिखाना है, ये सर बोल रहे हैं.
लोग भी पूछ रहे हैं ना.
हाँ,
वी आर ट्राइंग
बहुत से लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि हमें फोर्थ मून लेकर जुपिटर का, तो आप सबकी स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट पे हम राइट नाउ वी आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम सैटर्न टू जुपिटर एंड वी विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग आयो इन द कैमरा हियर. तो जुड़े रहिए हमसे. जस्ट अभी के अभी हम आपको दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. इसको फील्ड ऑफ व्यू चेंज करना पड़ेगा सर.
ये भाई उसमें तो
ऊपर ले जाओ इसका और एंटर करो एंटर करने में अलाइन करने से आएगा.
एक मिनट भाई एक काम कर
ये लगा देते हैं क्लियर
नहीं रुकिए कौन
ये लगा लेते हैं.
ये कैमरा बंद करो ना डायरेक्ट वहाँ से लगा के चल
ऊपर का
एक मिनट नहीं इसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं.
मैनुअली जो करते हैं ना तो थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब है.
देखिए तो कुमार सर आया क्या तो उधर आया क्या देखिए
दैट इज आयो, अभी नहीं आया, मैं देख रहा हूँ ना। हाँ
अभी देखिए 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 इट्स कमिंग
उसमें आया तुम्हारा
आ जाएगा आ जाएगा ये इसमें तो है सर
कुछ भी नहीं आया।
देखिए
हाँ आया
अब
आया,
रुको,
आया,
धीरे से
यस,
धीरे
यस,
से
यस।
धीरे से लेकर इधर आओ, देख के ऐसा देखो।
अभी उस
अब
बेटर भी
इसमें
है।
नहीं दिख रहा है, ये नहीं पकड़ पा रहा कैमरा मोबाइल,
हाँ?
सेटिंग्स बाकी मून को नहीं पकड़ पा रहा है।
चारों आ गए ना,
चारों दिख रहे हैं।
1 2 3 4 इसमें पॉइंट कर दो। 1 2 3 4
थोड़ा उसको मैग्नीफाई पर
उसको करना पड़ेगा सर, उसको नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होता ये। नाउ दे कैन सी
दिख रहा है ना
या आप यहाँ देख पा रहे होंगे, दिस इज द आयो।
थोड़ा तो क्लोजेस्ट वन
हाँ बता दीजिए सर। नाउ यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर ऑल 4 प्लैनेट और 4 मून्स ऑफ जुपिटर। बता दीजिए सर विच वन इज
ये
आयो, नाम ही बता दीजिए सर।
आयो नियरेस्ट होगा ना।
हाँ नियरेस्ट राइट ना,
आयो यूरोपा
यूरोपा कैलिस्टो,
गैनीमेड
गैनीमेड लास्ट
गैनीमेड एंड कैलिस्टो।
यस
बड़ा कर सकते हैं ना इसको।
और थोड़ा अभी
उसको बड़ा करने जाएंगे तो
ओ ये जाएगा आउट ऑफ
या
द फोर्थ
ये 5 मेगापिक्सल को कम करेंगे।
हाँ इसको स्क्रीन नहीं
कर
वो
सकते हैं।
तो वो थोड़ा फास्ट
ओके,
मूव
आयो
करेगा।
दिखाना है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ।
नहीं आयो तो आ गया ना अभी।
ठीक है छोड़ो छोड़ो तो चारों नहीं दिखेगा तुमको।
हाँ ठीक है, आयो दिखाना है तो आप बोल
नहीं
रहे
नहीं उसी में ही करो ना।
हैं। हाँ थोड़ा सा ऊपर लेके आओ।
ऊपर ले
ये देखिए
इधर लो थोड़ा। नहीं आएगा, छोटा करना पड़ेगा। वो इधर फास्ट जा रहा है
स्पीड स्पीड
ना। उल्टा जा रहा है उल्टा।
तुम बोलता है ऐसे मत करो।
वो पहले करके रखा होगा। हाँ अभी अभी आया, बाहर गया।
कहाँ चला गया?
सके स्क्रीन ये करना पड़ेगा
राइट साइड ले सर, उधर नहीं सर, उल्टा उल्टा
उधर की तरफ अपोजिट।
हाँ हाँ उस स्लोली से जाएगा सर, स्पीड कम कर दिया मैं। बाहर जा रही है,
पहले बहुत पहले करके
तुमने ज़्यादा दबा दिया था लगता है।
नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं करा दिया था
हाँ मालूम है, इसलिए तो मैं
करेक्ट।
करो बस छोड़ दो
हाँ ठीक है
छोड़ दो।
बाहर बहुत भाग रहा है, क्या बात।
शायद ट्रैक करना बंद कर दिया उसने।
अभी तुम्हारा लोकेशन देख लो भाई।
अब बता दीजिए ना सर।
भागते हैं ना कौन से इसमें। नहीं जुपिटर लेके आना उसका।
वैसे ही दिखाते हैं सर, चारों के एक साथ।
एक बार ये चेक कर लो।
चारों दिखाओ।
हाँ वो सेफ है।
नहीं इसको क्लोज कर दो, सेशन है
हमें बोल देते हैं, चारों दिखा देते हैं। वो क्या होगा ऐसे बार बार आउटसाइड चले जाएगा।
स्क्रीन छोटा कर देना, बहुत जल्दी भाग रहा है ना।
वो फास्ट रेट किया है ना, छोटा किया मैंने।
परसेंटेज कम कर 10-20%।
उनको बोल दे रहे हैं, बोल दे सर खत्म करने के लिए।
अभी भी एक बाहर है क्या?
हाँ बाहर।
मैं कर रहा हूँ
Thank you everyone for joining us live. Now we are closing this session. Please be in touch with us and do like and follow our page of Nehru Science Center. आप हमसे जुड़े रहिए आगे के कार्यक्रमों के लिए। धन्यवाद आप सबका, और हम कोशिश करेंगे आप लोगों ने जो क्वेरीज कमेंट्स बॉक्स में दी हैं उनका आंसर करने का। वंस अगेन थैंक यू, बाय।